Yo, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you the store demo mode on this 55-inch Samsung TU8000 TV. We have the box for it right there. Now, why am I going to be showing you the store demo mode? Well, it's just something that I always test out on any new TV that I get. I just find them interesting to watch and I thought I would share it with you guys. Now, if you are looking to buy one of these TVs or any of the other latest Samsung models, then I'll be leaving a link in the description below to the guys at box.co.uk who were kind enough to send over this TU8000 TV for me to unbox and try out for you guys. And if you want to know the specs, latest prices, then head on down to that link. Now, as a side note, if you are looking to buy a QLED TV, then now might be a great time because Box have an offer on where selected QLED TVs are eligible for cashback. So head on over to the link in the description and you may bag yourself a bargain. Let's get underway then with this store demo mode, and what we're going to need to do is grab our remote control and press on the settings button. Then we're going to head on down to general, then down to system manager, then all the way down to the bottom until we get to usage mode. And as you can see at the moment, it is in home mode. I'm going to click on that and it's going to ask us to enter a PIN. As you can see, it's not set up at the moment, so it's just the factory default of 4 zeros on this one. And then we're going to go down to retail mode and click on that and then agree, and then hopefully we should be in the store demo mode. There you have it then guys. Now if you'd like to see the unboxing of this TV, then I'll be leaving a link in the description. And if you have enjoyed this video today, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then maybe think about subscribing for more of the same in the future. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.